type. This is Priya.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue.
That's her making a video for me. Yeah. We are in Pagal Nala. This Pagal Nala is really Pagal. This is Pagal Nala. There's a full riverbed coming down from there, right up. And it goes down like this. And we are in part of the riverbed. We are trying to ride the riverbed. It's a dry riverbed. She is the youngest here, phenomenally well as a rider. Superb. Look at that. Look at that. Pagal Nala, dekho udhar. These are our young men who come. All in Pagal Nala.
You are all
This is Pagal. I'll go on. This is Pagal Nala, yeah. So let's see.
जैसे लोग यहाँ पर आए
कहते हैं जो यहाँ आए वो पागल है इसलिए पागल नाला. This is too much. Finally, oh my god, you can't believe it, the kind of off-roading I've done. I have been off-roading for the last 5 hours. 5 hours? No, more than that. I started at 6:30 in the morning. And it's around 2:30 in the afternoon. There's no road here. Get all up. And it's not like normal road. I had to cross, not even cross river. The river flowing down into a valley and we were crossing that. Oh, it was like on a curve up and down with rocks, with river rocks on it. All over as they dig this place up. The mud, if you can see, is full of rocks, sand and pebbles. I'm so exhausted now. I'll reach my destination.
People can collect their phone from here.
You've been taken over by China.
उसके बाद यहाँ से करेक्ट requested to please hand over their phone. Hand over their phone.
Sexy pink. Chandrasekhar. Guys, say hello. Hello. Come on, say hello here. Yeah. टाइम मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा देख फ्लैग के साथ ले ले आजा पूरा the hospitality of the army. We have a sit down breakfast right by the riverside. Look at this place. Look at this place. This is like unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. Totally unbelievable place. That's part of the Holy Water City. Me Gatse Cafe. And those are our bikes there, you can see. Those are our bikes right there. You know what I love the most? You know what I love the most? Look at this. I just love this. Just look at this. This is the Indian flag with the solar panels and a windmill. Yeah, just imagine with the flag there. And this is extraordinary. Only the army can do such amazing things, you know. To this place, it's quite, it was quite bad when we came last night. And overnight they built a road for us to ride here. That's Indian Army. Make the impossible possible. Hi guys.
Hey,
Say hi. These are my biker friends.
We are riding with the most Josh type rider with us. For all the people who are having breakfast, those who don't want to pray, उनके लिए ऊपर है वहाँ पर.
Hi guys, riders. The holy signs. Running late, so I shall switch off. Breakfast. My favorite. Eggs in a sandwich. Wow. 2 outstanding, man.
16,000 फीट पे बहुत सारे आज 13,000 फीट में लिट्टी चोखा खा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
कल my God, कल
And eating the little grub.
To my right, you see a river flowing down. This is coming down all the way from China. And this is called Sochu River. So, having to eat breakfast here is a delightful thing, and which only few people can even think about.
Impossible, actually.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद